Hey, what's up, unboxing fans? This is your buddy Repellent and Hawthorne. I'm here with yet another unboxing. I actually just did the unboxing and realized that it did not record. This shipped from Lexington, Kentucky from Amazon. It came in this pretty case. This is a Verizon Wireless LG Velvet cell phone case. I purchased this for my mom. This is a pretty handy case right here. It's keep your investment safe. I spent quite a bit on that phone, and I do not plan on it breaking anytime soon. It also came with this like protector thing here. I don't really know about it. I think it's like a sticky thing. Yeah. As always, thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe, please share, and check out some of my other ones. Sorry it didn't. This isn't the initial opening itself, but it is what it is. If you want to help support my channel, cash at me at London Hawthorne. Go to riptapparel.com. That's RIPT apparel.com or onceuponat.net. Find your shirts of choice. Save $3 off each shirt about. If you use my username as your coupon code, that's London Hawthorne. You'll save like $3 off a shirt. Thanks so much for watching. I wish you the best. Have a great day.